Good morning to everybody. Namaste. Om. Today for lunch I was planning to make khichdi. It is getting so hot during the day कि ज़्यादा खाना खाया नहीं जाता है. Masalas तो you don't want to eat at all. So we will make simple khichdi which is multi-grained and little bit of brown rice also. It is going to be very healthy and full of fiber and very nourishing. And I'm going to add magic to it, that is moringa powder. You know what moringa is? The drumsticks. This is drumstick leaves ka powder. It is very healthy and has a lot of health benefits. You can add 1 spoon to your dals, to your khichdi, to your other recipes also. It is good to have 1 spoon daily, at least for 10 to 15 days, and then take a break and then continue taking it. It is an immunity booster also in today's times. This I've ordered from Amazon actually. This is called moringa khichdi. I found it very good. It's very tasty also and doesn't take much time to make. So I've taken 1 katori of this and soaked it in water for 1 hour. This contains all the dals. I can see moong dal, then tuar dal, masoor dal, then there are seeds, sesame seeds are also there, then kharboje ke beej tak dal rakhe hain, and then there is red rice bits, broken red rice pieces, then there is brown rice. It is a multi-grain khichdi which we have to prepare and eat, and this is the powder that they give you along with the khichdi packet. This is moringa leaves powder, drumsticks ke leaves ka powder. So let us begin with the procedure. I had soaked this khichdi for 1 hour in water, and now I'm going to drain the water and I'm going to put it in the cooker along with 1.5 glass of water. I've added 1.5 glass of water. I will add half a teaspoon of salt, little bit of haldi, jeera and dhania powder, and a little bit of red chili powder, and give it 5 whistles. Half a teaspoon salt, haldi. All Indian foods, haldi is a must. We add haldi, namak, jeera to all our recipes mostly. Now close the lid and give it 5 steams. In the meantime, let us make the tadka ready. For tadka I need 1 onion which is chopped, ginger and garlic, 1 big piece of ginger which I have sliced it, but I am going to crush it manually, and garlic also. I am going to 7 to 8 pieces of garlic. I have chopped them, but I am going to crush both of them manually. And I will need desi ghee. Crush the ginger and garlic roughly. There is no need to make it very fine. You can crush 2 to 3 green chilies also in this, but I am not going to make it spicy because I don't want. I just add little red chili powder. Today I want to eat light. Take 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. I usually use cow's ghee for all my tadkas. Add the ginger garlic to it, and now add the onions. Add the onions. After 5 whistles, open the lid. See, the khichdi is also nicely done. So I will add this to the tadka. I have added this khichdi to the tadka and keep it on slow fire for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it covered for at least 5 minutes on very slow flame. Add a half a teaspoon of moringa powder to this. have added 2 potatoes, small ones, those mini baby potatoes. Lightly fried them in ghee while doing the tadka, and I've added because I love potatoes in my khichdi. Take some ghee, 1 spoon, add curry patta to it, little bit of jeera and red chili powder. Let's give it tadka. Spread it on the khichdi that you're going to serve. You may add a little hing also in case you want. वैसे these are all मूंग की दाल and grains, so why तो कुछ करने वाला है नहीं इस खिचड़ी में. So it is not necessary, it is optional. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, comment and share in case you feel like. Watch the video and try to make this khichdi. It is very tasty, very delicious and very healthy too. Thanks a lot. This is Amita Bagai from Amita's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments in case you feel that there is any addition that I need to make. No, I have not added any tomatoes. You can squeeze a lemon if you want, if you like it khatta. Yeah, you can keep half a lemon along with the khichdi, and in case you feel like, you can squeeze a lemon, or you can have curds with this. But as it is very delicious. There is no need to add anything. I've had it many times. It is extremely tasty. That is why I shared it. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a good day.